we're witnessing an increase of forcibly displaced people. It was estimated at more than 80 million people during 2021. While a humanitarian response is essential to support refugees, people displaced into new communities, there should be as well a significant consideration for cultural resilience of host communities. And what I mean by this is helping host communities be more prepared socially, economically, but also culturally in hosting refugees. Multiple initiatives could be put in place. First, it's essential to understand in depth the dynamics, the systems dynamics between the refugee community and the host community. And this could be done through using digital platforms that allow a continuous feed of data, social, economic, spatial, cultural, political, that would enable the actors to better analyze, understand the nodes of tension that could be created between both communities. A second initiative that could be in place is mapping local actors from both communities, those actors that usually are respected by their own community. So it could be the teacher, could be the health provider, could be a local leader, and bringing them together from both communities to work together collaboratively to analyze those data, design data-driven processes, and intervene in different instances when potential tension could rise, and be preemptive in their interventions. Innovative initiatives could be put in place and could be designed and planned with the local actors to help both communities develop sustainable mechanisms that would allow higher solidarity, but also higher inclusion of the refugee community. Some key considerations to keep in mind when we're intervening to increase cultural resilience of host communities. One important factor is, do we have a deep understanding of the context? Are local actors participating in this? Is a mechanism that is being created sustainable? So if the external actor leaves, do we see that this mechanism is capable to ensure this continuous social stability? Recently, due to the Syrian refugee crisis, but also observing the refugee crisis out of the war in Ukraine, so we started to see that what we're calling social stability mechanisms being put in place in those societies and contributing to this social cohesion by coupling humanitarian response with a cultural resilience response targeting the host community as well.